Mo sọ̀rọ̀ kan jọ́ I've said it long ago. But mo kíyèsí my view here. This is not the general perception. My view here is not the general perception. Mo kíyèsí ara lọ́kàn mi wípé àwọn tí ò bá ní nǹkan àwọn ni máa ń gbéraga jù láyé. I've noticed that. My view. I have taken a kind of a personal census. Mo dẹ̀ kíyèsí wípé àwọn tí ò jẹ́ nǹkan láyé ló máa ń gbéraga jù. Àwọn tó bá ní nǹkan gangan ní tó wọn. Ẹ lè wá máa rí nínú iṣẹ́ wọn. Tó bá láya lára ìyàwó wọn. Tó bá lọ́mọ lára ọmọ wọn. Àbí irú ilé tí wọ́n ń gbé. Àbí irú ìrìn tí wọ́n rìn. But you will not see arrogance and pride in their work, in their body, in their utterances, in their reaction to people. But some people, they are so empty. What did I say? They are so empty, they are so vain. And when you see empty and vain people, when they walk, you see pride and arrogance in their walk. When they speak, you see pride and arrogance in their language. When they relate to people, they belittle people, even though they are not worthy of all this. They belittle people with the way they talk, with the way they look at people. But kí ló ń ṣe léyìí? Irú aṣọ wo lélẹ́yìí wọ̀? Báwo lè ṣe múra báyìí? Ẹni tó ń sọ̀rọ̀ yẹn kò láṣọ 2 million nínú àpótí o. Ẹni tó ń sọ̀rọ̀ yẹn wristwatch ẹni tó wọ slippers ó ra gbogbo tó wọ̀ tìǹú ilé ẹ̀. Bracelet ẹlòmíì ó ra gbogbo tó ní láyé. And you see them talk down people. You see them maybe by the virtue of maybe their one position in one company. Nígbà tí wọ́n wà lábẹ́ èèyàn tó ń sọ ẹ́ di general manager tó wá ń rówó tó wá gbéraga tó bẹ̀ kí wọ́n ní kí chairman CEO kó sọ. Ìyẹn tó lè ṣe gàgà kí ni kó sọ? You are so prideful. You are so boastful. You talk sharply to people. You look down on people. Wàá máa sọ pé àwọn kò sí nínú sàwáwù tiẹ̀. Ẹni tí ò bá tí kú, never you look down on them. Because the table could turn at any time. Bọ́lá nǹkan dẹ̀ wà nínú street. The dice is still rolling. Ètò yí sọ́dọ̀ tiẹ̀ ló ń ṣẹ́kọ̀ọ́ lé lórí. Dice ti roll náà.